The amazing blood in your body. Hey everyone, have you ever wondered what's inside your body that helps you stay healthy and strong? The answer is blood. Let's explore all the cool things blood does for you. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel. What is blood? Blood is a special liquid that flows all around your body, helping to keep everything working like it should. Think of blood as a super helpful delivery system inside you. What's in your blood? Blood is made up of 4 important parts. 1. Red blood cells. These tiny cells are like little delivery trucks. They carry oxygen, the air you breathe, to every part of your body. Without oxygen, your body couldn't work, so red blood cells are very important. 2. White blood cells. White blood cells are like tiny superheroes that fight germs and keep you from getting sick. Whenever a bad germ, like a virus or bacteria, tries to attack, your white blood cells rush in to protect you. 3. Platelets. Platelets are like tiny band-aids. When you get a cut, platelets help stop the bleeding by forming a clot. It's like they quickly fix the hole in your body. 4. Plasma. Plasma is the liquid part of your blood. It's yellowish and carries all the other blood cells through your body. Plasma helps to transport nutrients and waste too. What does blood do? Blood is like a busy mailman running all over your body. Here are some of the important jobs it does. Carries oxygen. Blood picks up oxygen from your lungs and delivers it to all parts of your body. Fights germs. White blood cells in your blood help protect you from getting sick by fighting off harmful germs. Carries nutrients. Blood helps move important nutrients, like food, from your stomach to places where your body needs them. Removes waste. Your blood also picks up waste products, like carbon dioxide, and takes them to places like your lungs or kidneys to get rid of them. How does blood travel? Blood travels through your body using a system of blood vessels. There are 3 types of blood vessels. 1. Arteries. These carry oxygen-rich blood from your heart to your body. 2. Veins. These carry the blood with waste back to your heart. 3. Capillaries. These are tiny blood vessels that connect arteries and veins. They help deliver oxygen and nutrients to your cells. Why does blood look red? The blood moving around your body contains varying amounts of oxygen. This reacts with an iron-rich protein in your red blood cells, turning it red just as iron turns rusty red when it meets oxygen in the air. Blood with lots of oxygen is bright red, and gets darker as it releases the oxygen around the body. Fun facts about blood. Did you know that if you stretched out all the blood vessels in your body, they would be about 100,000 kilometers long? That's enough to wrap around the Earth twice. Your body has about 5 liters of blood, about the size of a milk jug. Why is blood important? Without blood, your body wouldn't be able to do any of its jobs. So, it's super important to stay healthy, eat well, and drink plenty of water to keep your blood flowing and doing its amazing work. Conclusion: blood is awesome. So next time you see a cut or you're feeling a little tired, remember how hard your blood is working to keep you strong and healthy. It's like your body's personal superhero team, always working behind the scenes to make sure you're at your best. See you next time for more awesome videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.